Hindi yan si Spider-Man.
Fox. Tama. Lechon. Ito pala yung lechon. Ito pala yung lechon. Kala ko ito yung lechon. Ito pala yung lechon.
Okay. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hey guys, it's me Phoebe, and today we have another vlog, and we're gonna go to Robinsons since we're gonna go watch Inside Out 2. I'm actually excited because I haven't watched it yet, but like I really want to watch it now because there's new emotions like anxiety, embarrassment ata, and ennui, which is boredom actually, and envy, and a lot like more. But we're gonna go now, as you can see. So, and also Tita is with us. So guys, I'm gonna go back to you if we're there. Bye!
Ayan, nandito na kami. Ayun si Tita. Bumibili siya ng ticket for that. At ay, no! Ihanap pa kami ng ibang food. Anong gusto mo?
I want
Drinks.
zagu-zagu.
Oh, ito. 5 ticket na yan. Oh, bibili daw siyang food.
Ha?
Bibili siyang food. Ayun, dala niya yung wallet ko.
Oh, hawak mo to.
14 cheese.
Oh, baby mo.
Wala pa tayo sa loob ng sinihan. Baka ma-chew. Tignan mo. Wala pa sa sinihan eh.
Yan lang ako, upo lang ako.
Hindi ko nga alam, wala pa. Nagpa-park lang. Heather! Hi, baby! Gusto na kami manood. Gas!
Where's Fauci?
Call Fauci! Call Fauci! What's that? Hindi yan si Spider-Man! Si Fauci. Oy! Spider-Man! Hindi yan si Spider-Man. Oh, go to daddy. Go to daddy.
Let's take a picture.
Oh, let's take a picture. Wait for Tita. Where's Tita?
Watch you. Ano ba?
Fauci. Doon tayo magpa-picture. What's that? Zion. Fauci. Yeah, may daddy na naman na nauto. Kinis lang.
Mami,
Ah.
pag ako nag-uuto ako, sasabihin, baby, tagalan mo nga. Oh, go! You can do it! Go! 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 Ang laki mo na kasi.
Ano kayo?
Pinagtawanan niyo pa. Kailangan bumili lang ako ng kawali.
Mother, come here, oh, bye! Come here, oh! That's our car. Come, come. Is that your bag? Oh, you get your lunchbox.
Bag. Lunch bag.
Oh, you put it back. Let's come here. Put it here. Put your lunch back here. Let's put your bag here. Over here. Over here. Your bag. Over there.
Put it back. Let's go na. Let's go.
Oh, you say bye-bye bag and kiss it.
Let's go na.
Okay, let's go.
Good na, baby.
Let's go.
JJ's Luzon. In-order namin.
Say cheese. Wow, it's the picture. It's the picture header. It's a picture. Close header. Okay, let's see the picture. It's a gorilla.
Pakita mo sa kanya.
It's a gorilla.
Is that Heather?
Is that Heather? So, ganito siya guys. Lagay mo ng tubig dito. Tapos, parang babasa dito yung, yung picture. Tapos, yeah. Babasa mo daw. Wala kasi tayong tubig. So, improvise tayo. Again guys, mapakita ko sa'yo. Nag-video ko siya pero okay. So, yan. Tapos, kunwari mag-picture ka. Hati, cheese! Hati, cheese! Sinusumot pa niya yung pagkain.
Oh, no.
Cheese! 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 Lagay ko siya ng tubig, tapos mag-repair na siya. Guys, lagay ko pa siya ng tubig. Spray ko siya. Nakikita na,
Giraffe.
giraffe. Yan. Tapos ito yung lumabas. At pag hindi mo siya nababasa, babalik siya maging white. So parang reusable siya. So yun guys, oh. Nag-reappear na siya ng giraffe. Ay, si OA. Ayun kasi madam, sinusumot pa nga yung pagkain na. So, we're gonna have some lechon. We have our cups, our water, our toyo. Toyo ba to? And then our utensils, and then our bowls. And I think that's soup.
No,
Pero,
sauce yun.
a sauce, but no one, but I really, kala ko mag-aamal dito sa toyo. Let's wait for it. Our food arrived. This is what we got. We got some, ano to, pancit. And then,
Lain.
huh?
Lain.
Daing.
Ito.
And then we got some lechon. Ito pala yung lechon. Ito pala yung lechon. Kala ko ito yung lechon. Ito pala yung lechon. So, siya siya lechon. Ano nga si Madam. Kumakain na siya. Is it yummy? Yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna eat now. Sarap. Kala ko po ito yung lechon.
Strawberry. Oh, shucks! Ibang da. Sarap yan. Ha? What's that?
Banana graham.
Banana graham. Made by mommy. Favorite niya yan. So, lambing kay daddy.
And then Daddy went home earlier because he bought some groceries.
Konti lang yon, bigas kasi wala na tayong bigas.
And then snacks.
Yeah, konti lang yung snacks kasi kaka-grocery lang eh.
Yeah. Kasi naubos agad.
Heather! Heather! At is watching. Anak, baka hindi maganda yung pinanonood.
Just Minecraft.
Heather! Hi! Ganda ng dress, oh. Ayun, gagawa tayong churros. Ito. Pinagsama-sama ko lang yung water, butter, at saka sugar. Pasalagyan ko lang ng egg and vanilla flavor. Konti lang. So, ito na yung nagawa natin. Di man perfect, pero ayaan mo na. First time lang naman. Air fryer natin yan. 10 minutes. Yummy! Naisip-sip lang yung chocolate. It's pink, Mom. It's pink. Oh. Oh, eat. Oh, eat. Yummy. Chocolate lang yung kinakain.
So we're having dinner na. We're having sinigang. Heather, you like it? Sinigang? So guys, that's the end of the video. And we're gonna watch some Netflix, like Netflix and chill. It's the end of the vlog, guys. Bye-bye!
Wala, ha? Wala. Puro maliit lang nabili. Isa. Ano pa yung iba?
Manghuan.
Tommy.
You want Tommy?